Samantha, how is Digital Learning Day being celebrated in our district?
Volusia County Schools is spotlighting teachers who continuously integrate district-purchased software and one-to-one student devices into their classrooms every day. Take a look.
So I used to use the book when we used to, before we had one-to-one. I would use the book, my projector, and then I would also, it was more like paper and pencil all of the time. The software that I like to use is Nearpod. I use it a lot in my classroom, and it's changed the dynamic of my classroom by the students being more engaged in the lesson. Students can't be bystanders, they actually have to participate because every student has to submit an answer on Nearpod. I also enjoy that Nearpod is that you can change it in the middle of a lesson from live participation to student pace, so then students can practice the further the skill they're working on at the time. Nearpod has really made an impact on my students, using it for reviews, study guides, for homework. It's made a huge impact on passing the topic test, and they've been doing a wonderful job with that. My advice for other teachers that are trying out a new resource like Nearpod or Canvas or any of those types of resources that we have is to first just to try it and to implement it just one thing at a time. You don't have to implement everything that has to do with technology, but implement one thing and then watch the student engagement in your class rise because of that, and also see how your students' performance will rise because of the engagement, and they will enjoy coming to school and participating in class, and that will be the benefit of you implementing those types of programs.